This error can be very disruptive and it can repeatedly pop up. It will make it disappear temporarily, but it will soon reappear. So I'll walk you through several solutions to resolve this issue. Go ahead and open your system settings on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar in the top. Scroll all the way down and go to the apps section. In the top right corner, tap on the search icon and here type in System UI. Scroll down, tap on Storage, and click on Clear Cache. But in the case if you do not see the System UI in your app list, like mine, you can proceed to the next step. Open your Google Play Services, search for Google Play Services, and select it. Now scroll down, select Storage, click on Clear Cache. But remember that clearing the all data will also delete all your files, settings, accounts, and databases, so you need to be very careful regarding that. Then go ahead and restart your entire device. Press and hold the side power button until you see a menu appear. If no menu appears, you can press and hold both the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. Tap and restart and tap and restart again to confirm. Be patient as your device restarts. This process can take a minute or two, especially on an older devices, and restarting will refresh your phone system and hopefully resolve the issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.